Hello, I'm John Lainhart. I'm the co-chair of the COBIT-5 task force. COBIT-5 is a quantum leap from where we were with COBIT 4.1 and going back to COBIT 1. I've been involved since COBIT 1 and 15 years now. But this is such a dramatic change that it's an exciting time for ISACA and for us who've been working on this new product, COBIT-5. COBIT-5 goes into the business perspective as opposed to just an IT perspective. That's a new and major change for this document. This document can be used by business users from any department and also, of course, the IT department. It can be used by different types of stakeholders, so boards of directors, CEOs, chief operating officers, the privacy officer, risk officer, security officer, and of course our IT auditors. It's got views that we've built into it for all those different audiences and some that I didn't mention. It really is stakeholder driven, so the stakeholders can drill down to what they need for their specific environment. Another big advantage of COBIT is that we've pulled together all the ISACA intellectual property into this one version called COBIT-5. So that means that COBIT 4.1, Risk IT, Val IT, BEMIS, the board briefing document, our International Auditing Standards framework, all these are brought together in this one source. And it's going to be a major knowledge database that will be able to pull the specifics dealing with each of the users, each of the stakeholders' needs for them to be able to address with respect to their doing their jobs better. One other thing that's important is we're going to have the links to other standards that are out there. Clearly ISO, because that's a major emphasis that we're placing in the document, but ITIL, I'm in the public sector, FIPS publications, just everything that we can get in the way of additional references to help the users of our document are going to be there. It's not going to be the document repeated, but it'll have the link as to where to go to get the help.